A vintage recipe without gelatin? I can't believe it either! Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Are you looking for a pretty dessert that looks Christmassy, but that any idiot could make? Today we have just the thing for you, frozen Christmas pudding from 1959's Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Cookbook. But first, a festive libation. I call this one the Wayward Elf. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce Stiggins Fancy Pineapple Rum, 1/2 ounce cinnamon schnapps, 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice, 5 dashes of orange bitters, and 5 dashes of aromatic bitters. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Pudding time! To make this easy masterpiece, begin by combining the juice from 1 cup of crushed pineapple and the syrup from 1 6-ounce jar of maraschino cherries on the stove top. Add 1/2 cup of raisins and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat, add 2 cups of tiny marshmallows, and stir until they've melted. Allow that to cool and chop the cherries from your jar. After your mixture is cooled, add your pineapple, the cherries, 1/3 of a cup chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon lemon peel, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of rum. Beat 2 egg whites and 1/4 teaspoon salt until foamy. Add 1/3 of a cup sugar and beat until stiff peaks form. Fold into your mixture, then whip 1 cup of heavy cream and fold that in as well and freeze. Just look at that pretty pink color. It looks like it took effort. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to tune in this weekend for a visit from your favorite cousin. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.